Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by using an admin account, so changes take effect system-wide. Press Windows plus R, type Services, MSC, and hit Enter to open Services. Once the Services window appears, scroll or press H to jump to entries beginning with H. Find the Help and Support entry. You're doing this to change how Windows runs that component. Making the change here stops it from starting automatically. Now that you've found the service, pause for a second and confirm it's the one labeled Help and Support. Once in Properties, change Startup Type to Disabled so Windows won't start it again on boot. This is the key preventive step. Click Apply to save that selection. Don't skip this or the service may reappear. If the service is currently running, click Stop to terminate it immediately. You may see a brief delay while Windows shuts it down. Make sure to observe the status field change to Stopped. After stopping, close Properties and consider a quick restart to verify the service remains inactive. After making your changes, restart the PC to confirm the service stays disabled. Open Services. MSC and verify the Help and Support entry shows stopped and disabled. If a dependent feature breaks or you need help later, return to Properties and set Startup Type back to manual or automatic. Only re-enable if necessary. If stopping the service fails or you see errors, check Event Viewer for specific error messages and dependency issues. That log helps you identify what to repair before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.